So, the aftermath. What we'd found after some time at Neighbor Racing, and Saif was able to take the engine out and take it apart and look at everything, is that it did suffer catastrophic failure. This was due to my own fault. This guy right here. I don't know if you remember back earlier, I had a lot of oil pressure, and I had some oil leaks that was fixed by Tig. The car still had a lot of oil pressure, and I had noticed Saif had told me to put 20W50 in it, which is a really, really thick oil. And I thought by dropping down to more of a conventional oil weight of 10W30 that would bring down the oil pressure just slightly so it wasn't always pegged and maybe help with some of the oil leaks. Turns out that Saif had built the motor for 20W50 with bigger tolerances, and it required that thicker, less viscous oil to survive. And without that oil running in it, we had starved the engine of some oil, and it meant bearing failure. So I think the end result was I got a new crank. I think 1 or 2 of the rods were replaced along with a couple of pistons. Everything is rebuilt, rehoned, rebalanced, re-put back together, and I have just been waiting on Saif to put the engine back in the car and get it retuned. This is now 2024 as I'm recording this. So I wanted to give an update. That's a long time. It's about 1.5 years since I dropped it off to Saif. It's been a long, patient wait. I won't make excuses or knock Saif. I think Saif is phenomenal. I think he's one of the best, if not the best, 2JZ guy out there, in my humble opinion. But as any of you know, with shop experience, good help is hard to find, and I think Saif's had a hard time finding guys that will work for him that builds up to the quality that he expects. So when everybody brings their stuff to Saif and he's got a lot of work to do, that means it requires a lot of patience. So I've tried to be as patient as I can. Saif is working on it still. I'm hoping that by spring 2024 that it will be good to go, and we'll just continue being patient. But wanted to give everybody a quick update for the aftermath of the bad news of the result of the Camaro breakdown. I promise with any bad news, there's good news too. In fact, the next video that will follow shortly will have some very good news. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, thanks for caring, and we will see you next time with a better video.